Hey guys, Alex here from Black and Yellow Pavement. We're out here today at 666 and 668 Colby Drive in Waterloo. We're going to be doing some crack sealing on this lot. We're going to slurry coat it, and then we're going to freshly paint all the lines. Let's see how we do. That's a wrap, guys, out here at 666 Colby Drive in Waterloo. Parking lot looks absolutely incredible. Not only that, it's going to be protected for 3 to 5 years. Hey, if you want to extend the life of your lot by over 300%, give us a call and let us show you how we can make that happen.